Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm letting you know now, I think I'm canceling. So let's get into this. So this is the inside of the box. This month's theme is Status 000. Like, what does that even mean? So first we have this Alley Oop Stack the Odds multiple use face cream stacker. Let me see if it'll focus. There we go. According to the paper, this is a 3-in-1 stackable compact that has a cream blush, bronzer, and highlight. I saw pictures of this. The bronzer, I already know it's not gonna work. I'm not a big fan of cream products. So, there we go. We're off to a great start. Next, we have the Natasha Denona Cupid palette. I'm not the biggest fan of Natasha Denona shadows. I have 2 palettes and I never reach for them. I'm bored. This is the palette. Not very thrilled with it. I'm just like, I'm bored with it. I don't understand what happened with Boxycharm. Like, what is going on? I used to be so excited to get the boxes, and now I'm just like dreading it. Like, this is why I'm canceling. Next, we have this Fig Renewal Oil from Biro. I don't know how to say it. Let me see if it'll focus for you guys. I'm sorry about the sun. But this is like the only thing I'm actually excited to use. I love face oils. I'm actually running out of the one I'm using. Next is the Beauty Crop, and this is a liquid eyeshadow duo in the shades Ginger and Prosecco. I'm not going to open this because I'm probably not going to use this at all. But this is just like a matte brownie kind of shade, I'm assuming. And then this one's like a coppery shimmer shade. And then last are these brushes from Eloise. I'll probably use these because they look really nice. So 2 out of the 5 products I actually like. I'm definitely gonna be canceling my Boxycharm because it's disappointment after disappointment. I used to, like I said, love the boxes. I used to look forward to the boxes all the time. And now I'm just not thrilled with the boxes that I am getting. I feel like this is my thought last month too, is my box is just like the last one and they're just gonna throw random things in it. Has anyone else been feeling that way? If you do, please let me know in the comments, because I know I mentioned that on Twitter and someone else replied and they said they felt the same exact way. Let me know other subscription services I should try out. I want to try Ipsy. I think I'm gonna do that. Just because I feel like that one's pretty decent. So I think I might sign up for Ipsy. I'm not sure yet. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite subscription boxes, because Boxycharm just ain't it anymore. It's just, I'm over it. So let me know what you guys are liking down below if you're subscribed to anything. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. All the products will be linked down below, and all the prices and the grand total of the box. Oh my god, I just saw this is $72 the face oil. That's ridiculous. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Again, let me know your favorite subscription boxes down below, and follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram. I'm super active over there. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next time. Bye.